Hey, Trekkie2409 here. Got something different for you today. I have finally gotten 3 resin model kits I ordered. I'm doing them individually, and I'm not going to show you what the other 2 are until the video, so you'll have to watch it, or at least look out for it. So, first, we've got the Prometheus. Starcraft, made by Starcraft, as you can see there, yeah. Lovely ship. Was only ever in 1 episode of Voyager, or, yeah. Let's see if I can get the box open. There we go. It's in a pretty small box, but the model itself, when you put it together, is larger. Comes in the 3 pieces that the actual ship splits into, and a little bag with the extra warp nacelles for the saucer section, and a stand there, and that also for the warp nacelles in the saucer section, and instructions for decals and painting, and decals are in the instructions too. Okay, here are the 3 pieces. Saucer section, very detailed, love it. Not showing up too great, unfortunately. You can just see the panel lines and windows. There you go. I'm very happy with the kits. Whenever I've read about resin kits before, there's been mention of bubbles and things, but I haven't seen any on any of the 3 kits at all. Also said they would need cleaned and feel greasy, but they don't really either. This is the middle section. That's the shuttle bay. They're all solid pieces and have a fair bit of weight to them, but as they're solid, won't be able to put lights in, unfortunately. And this is the bottom section. However, even though I can't put lights in it, I've come up with a plan. I'm going to just paint them with UV paint, and put a UV light above the shelf that I put them on, and make them light up. Here are the decals and instructions for it. Decals for the Prometheus. And instructions. Instructions are nice and clear and in colour. And finally, the Prometheus when it's all together. It clips together fine and stays together by itself. It's a good length. So yeah, there you go. Starcraft's U.S.S. Prometheus on 1/1400 scale. It's a lovely kit, and I really like that I'll be able to enjoy it like that before having to paint it and go to the trouble of lights like I would with other kits. Okay, so there we go. Check back soon for the other two kits.